welcome to Awake TV. So today I want to talk about relationship between tarot card reading and past life and how you can utilize those two methods to clear your karmic ties or karmic issues and move toward your twin flame union. So those of you who don't know me, I'm Erica Frizano. I'm Lapid Love Transformation Expert. I help people to break through emotional pain, uncertainty, anxiety, and fear in relationships to get clarity, freedom, and transform in just 45 days. When it comes to tarot card reading, especially something like past life, and then when a particular part of the reading hit you, it is very useful to get past life regression. I do that on my clients, especially for twin flame clients, to resolve their karmas, resolve their issues, resolve their wound, and any kind of stuff blocking them from loving themselves unconditionally and being themselves as who they are and being with their divine counterpart. So I was listening to a tarot card reading from this lady. I always was impressed by her reading, but on that day I was kind of listening, wasn't really thinking anything special. It was a pick a card reading, so I just picked, and then the card I picked, after I was listening to this story, she was reading through tarot card. It was like, felt like that was my life. My past life was explained like 95% accurately. So I was like, oh my God, this is my life. Even though I wasn't particularly having any kind of a memory of that particular life in America, in the South, I knew that was true. So after because I was started crying and my heart was like breaking, like super like broken hearted and everything. So I was like, there's no way you're gonna react like that by just listening to past life tarot card reading. Especially this is not personally done for me. So I was like, this must be, a lot of stuff is similarity on my past. So since I do, quantum past life hypnosis, I did past life regression on me. And then I was able to regain the name of the person, the actual lady who lived in North Carolina. And then I got some factual information about it. And then I was like, wow, this is real. And then I was thinking, is there any way I can ask one of my colleagues to help me to go through this past life, because it was definitely traumatic. So I was talking to, my friend Sue, who I do podcast with. And then Sue said, I do QHHT. And then why don't I regress you? So I already knew who I am as a person of the name, and she regressed me. I think session took about, 2 hours. It was extremely hard life. And I think I was crying like 1/3 of the way. And in the past life, I was, I needed to have completely forgive my husband who abandoned me and my children, our children. I had to make sure that everything is okay without letting my children know what's going on, because we have to keep up the appearance, because we are, a prominent figure in the society in North Carolina. So that was a past life, and that was extremely painful. I wasn't awakened at all. in that past life, and it was extremely traumatic. So my husband in the past life was, you know, my twin flame, and then we talked, and then we did all this understanding of what is the theme, what is the lesson in the lifetime, and lesson was forgiveness. And then definitely I couldn't forgive because it was extremely difficult situation to forgive, and it carried on. So basically, without tarot card reading, I had no idea to accessing the particular past life. And that was definitely a divine guidance. But like, that's how you guys can, pay attention to tarot card reading. It's not about, okay, when am I going to be with divine masculine or stuff like that. It is important, but more of, what can I use this information to heal myself? What triggers me? What kind of stuff I hear very uncomfortable, whatever the stuff my tarot card reader say. That is a part, I think I talked about that in particular tarot card, how to utilize tarot card video. That is how, you can use tarot card readings in very useful way. So if you can connect, let's say particular incident with past life, which I'm more than happy to do so, and that's how I resolve problems and blocks and the limitations and the emotional traumas from my clients. So you can contact me through my strategy call, and we can talk about it. So like, yeah, that's one of the useful way to use tarot card and past life regression. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys about, because without that tarot card reading, there's no way, because there are so many past lives, right? It's not like 5, it's like zillions of them. And then pinpoint the one particular lifetime which is affecting your lifetime right now is huge deal. You know what I'm saying? So it was extremely useful, and I did past life regressions with colleagues and before I become a practitioner, but this particular lifetime of past life never showed up ever. And then this tarot card reading became a trigger or opening the door. So I just wanted to share with you guys this experience, my personal experience, and then hopefully, you guys can do something similar to proceed your twin flame journey and move along toward your road to the union. Alrighty, thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe. I see you guys next time. Bye.